What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to have a short discussion on the topic of the branches of computing that make up artificial intelligence. So let's get to it. Artificial intelligence is a broad field of research. This field of study aids in the discovery of answers to real-world issues. This post will provide us with a basic insight into the fundamental domains of the AI discipline. The major branches of information technology that make up artificial intelligence are as we see below. So, we do see this kind of spider diagram here, guys. We see at the core or heart of this diagram is AI, and AI extends itself into various other fields or domains as part of technology. So, a few of the sub-disciplines that make up or constitute the AI discipline are neural networks, data mining, statistical AI, pattern recognition, fuzzy logic, swarm intelligence, genetic algorithms, as well as expert systems. There are a few more that I can name for you, such as machine learning, robotics, NLP, and so on. All of those are actually branches of artificial intelligence, okay? If I'm not mistaken, as well as computer science. I do know some sources that I've looked at, they also include computer science and software engineering as part of the contributors, to artificial intelligence. So, let's have short discussions on the major of these subdomains. So, let's go for it. Number one, machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most popular branches of artificial intelligence. The primary idea behind this field is to teach machines to learn from data in the same way that humans can learn from their own experiences. It includes learning models that can be used to make predictions based on unknown data. Number two, logic. It is another major topic of study in which computer programs are executed using mathematical logic. It includes rules and facts for pattern matching, semantic analysis, and other tasks. Number three, searching. Chess and tic-tac-toe are two games that employ this subject of research. After searching the entire search space, search algorithms provide the best option. Number four, artificial neural networks. So, this is a network of high-performance computing systems with a common theme inspired by a biological brain. Robotics, speech recognition, and speech processing are just a few of the applications for ANN. Number five, genetic algorithms. With the help of several programs, genetic algorithms aid in the solution of problems. The outcome would be determined by choosing the fittest. Number six, knowledge representation. It is a topic of research in which we can describe information in a way that the machine can understand. The more effectively the knowledge is represented, the more intelligent the system becomes. So guys, that's what we have for this article. And, regarding knowledge representation, I think this also has to do with KMS. So KMS is another contributor, to artificial intelligence itself and those related systems. KMS is basically a system. It stands for Knowledge Management System. Some people may also know it as Knowledge Base System, but essentially it is another contributor to, artificial intelligence as a whole. Because, logically speaking as well, every computer program pertaining to AI, it is in itself an information system because input is taken in, processing is done, whether behind the scenes or on the front end of it, and output is shown to the user. So all really interesting topics, and this is what we have for this article. In this video, we discussed the branches of computing that make up artificial intelligence. So, with that, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.